Factory finished trim cuts on-site labor and shrink overall build timelines. Factory finished trim delivers consistent color, sealed edges, and ready-to-install components that reduce site work and rework. Choose pre-finished baseboards and casings machined to final profiles, so installers only need to scribe and fasten, not sand or paint on-site. Use finger-jointed primed boards for long runs because they come straight, resist warping, and accept final touch-up with minimal sanding. These boards are glued from short, clear pieces so they stay stable in varying humidity. For stairs, order pre-finished stair treads and risers matched to the trim profile to avoid field finishing on high wear surfaces and to prevent dust and downtime from sanding. Plan deliveries by room or floor and store materials in a conditioned trailer on site to prevent finish damage and speed installation. Coordinate finish schedules so electricians and plumbers install after trim where possible to avoid notches and repairs that add labor. A common mistake is ordering unfinished or mismatched profiles, which forces painters back for touch-up. Prevent that by confirming profiles and ordering samples before bulk purchase. Another issue is poor storage and handling that leads to chips and scratches requiring field repair. Keep trims flat, elevated, and inside climate-controlled storage until installation. A third concern is assuming installers will accept pre-finished edges without training, which can lead to visible gaps. Brief crews on handling finished edges, use appropriate fasteners and adhesive, and prioritize precision scribing to minimize gap filling. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners compare options and locate local contractors who work with factory finished trim, so we make it easier to find pros who can execute this approach. We also provide a discussion community where contractors and homeowners trade tips on ordering, storage, and installation practices.